Welcome and welcome back to another episode of Lovely Cooks 2. We're making banana bread. We're using a box recipe with a few twists. Come on in this kitchen and let me show you how. Okay, so we're going to make a quick bread mix, the Krusteez brand. Banana bread made with real bananas, no artificial flavors or colors. And we're going to substitute out the water for milk. And we're going to substitute out the third cup of vegetable oil with butter. And just because I had a few strawberries that if I let them go another day, they were going to be all the way gone. So I cut those up and we're going to incorporate these too. All right, let's get started. I'm going into the oven. I'll be back when it's ready. It's moist. Smells good. Smells fruity and warm. It's pretty good. Until next time.